How to fix Google Play Store not opening. So in this video guys, we will talk about the solution of this problem on your Google Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. First we have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go and open apps or applications. Here search for Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store when you found it, then go to storage, and on storage go to clear data and click OK, and go back and click on first tab and click OK. And now you have to go to Play Store and update, or you have before this you have to disable your Play Store and enable it. And that's it. I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.